Hello， 大家好，感谢关注江江 Victoria。在这里，如果你对中文感兴趣，想了解中国文化，又想知道在中国的日常生活是什么样子的话，那么请跟我一起学习中文，了解中国文化吧。
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria. Today, I would like to talk about a kind of drink. It is one of indispensable drink for Chinese people in their daily life. I'm gonna to make one right now. Let's go! 大家可以猜一下我接下来要做的这个喝的东西是什么？在中国呢，我们家家户户都会去喝它。让我们一起来看一下吧。Maybe some of you have known what I make today. Yes, it's tea, the Chinese tea. Take some water. Alright, a cup of tea is already done. Today, what I drink is the oolong tea, 乌龙茶. It can be drunk all year round, better to drink in autumn. In summer, it's great to drink some green tea. As for me, I don't like drinking coffee, but I like drinking tea. Actually, the process of making tea is complex and elaborate and have its own professional brew skills, like this. What I did just now is the most simple way of making tea to drink for common people in our daily life, without any tea art. Make it easy. Our topic today is about the tea culture. Why I said it's important for the Chinese learning is because that the Chinese tea enjoys a long history, a wide variety, and is well known all over the world. In China, some tea with good quality can be sent as a present in business. If you want to learn the Chinese tea art, it cannot be concluded in several words. Tea culture refers to the cultural characteristics formed in the process of tea drinking, including tea ceremony, 茶道, tea virtues, 茶德, health, happiness, refreshment, harmony, respect, and beauty. Tea spirits, 茶精神, purity, respect, harmony, and truth. Tea couplets, 茶联, tea classics, 茶书, tea sets, 茶具, tea painting, 茶画, tea study, 茶学, tea stories, 茶故事, and art of tea, 茶艺. Now, I'd like to introduce some typical Chinese tea for you. 那么接下来我们就聊一聊关于一些中国著名的茶叶分类和茶的品种有哪些呢？其实我们应该知道，关于茶叶的发酵程度呢，我们可以大致分为绿茶、黄茶、红茶、乌龙茶、黑茶等等。那么这其中呢，可能绿茶最为普遍，也是人们最常喝的茶的一种品种。在这里呢，我们一定要知道的就是中国的10大名茶有哪些。首先是绿茶，绿茶其实是一种未发酵茶。那么比较知名的品种呢，我们常见的有西湖龙井、洞庭碧螺春、黄山毛峰、庐山云雾、六安瓜片和信阳毛尖。黄茶是什么呢？黄茶其实也是一种轻微的发酵茶。10大名茶之一呢，就是有一种黄茶，就是君山银针。然后就是我今天所喝的这个乌龙茶。乌龙茶其实是一种半发酵茶，也叫做清茶。像武夷岩茶、安溪铁观音都是非常名贵的乌龙茶品种。然后就是红茶，红茶其实是一种全发酵茶，其中最为知名的就是祁门红茶。最后就是黑茶了，是一种后发酵茶，最为知名的可能就是云南普洱。云南普洱茶就是一种非常知名的黑茶。 那么上面我所介绍的呢，就是中国比较知名的茶叶的种类，大家有所了解了吗？ The further the Chinese tea culture develops, the more people understand it and accept its value. Now let's learn about the origin of the Chinese tea. Chinese tea culture emerged as early as over 5,000 years ago. While during the Three Kingdom period, people paid more attention to its medical values. In the Tang Dynasty, tea tasting became a liking for literati, who would, while drinking tea, recite poems with rhythm, or write some poems to show how enjoyable it was. In this way, tea culture occupies an important place that makes Chinese culture a significant part in the world. There are virtues of Chinese nation in their tea culture. For example, when a guest arrives, it's a social convention for the host to entertain him by making some tea. Details as how much the tea to use, how the water is filled, how the tea is made, what utensils to use, and where to serve the tea demand particular attention. Actually, Chinese people's elegance, tranquility, and self-cultivation can be exhibited in the whole process. Alright, now let's learn some Mandarin about the tea culture.
The following is Mandarin time. Let's learn Mandarin together. Number 1. 茶 Today, our topic is about the Chinese tea. So how to speak tea in Chinese? 茶 Number 2. 茶叶 It means the leaves of the tea. Can also be called tea. 茶叶 Number 3. 茶艺 It means the tea art. 茶艺 Number 4. 茶文化 It means the tea culture. The tea culture enjoys a long history in China, so the tea culture is really important for Chinese. 茶文化 Next one. 绿茶 It means the green tea. Green tea is one of the common tea that people drink in China. 绿茶 In summer, it's better to drink some green tea. Number 6. 红茶 It means the black tea. 红茶 I think some foreign friends like drinking black tea. 红茶 Number 7. 乌龙茶 It means the oolong tea. 乌龙茶 is also a kind of tea. Number 8. 喝茶 It means drink tea. 喝茶 It's a verb. 喝茶 Okay, last one. 泡茶，泡茶，泡茶。In Chinese, it can also use 沏茶. They are the same meaning. 泡茶 means make tea. 泡茶. Okay, today's Mandarin is around the keywords 茶. Please pay attention to the words in red. 茶. If you enjoy drinking tea, you can learn some information about the tea on the internet or also read some books. Hope that you will like the Chinese tea culture.
Welcome back. The tea culture has a profound impact on Chinese nation. In our daily life, it's not only a simple drink which is good for health, but also a way of tasting life. Virtues like being self-disciplined and kind in the Chinese tea culture has reinvigorated against the money-oriented society. So if you like tea, hope that you can drink some Chinese tea. It's good for your health, and it also can let you know the Chinese culture. Today's video is coming to an end. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye!